This private sector university in Pakistan, we have got 230 degree programs and we have 30,000 plus students. Out of them, 1100 are international students from 35 different countries, including Bangladesh. And we are here from Pakistan to increase the number of Bangladesh students in our university, in our country. So for this, you should understand that we need to have information about 4 scholarship programs. Number 1, the Higher Education Commission scholarship. You can capture that as well. The first scholarship is fully funded scholarship by Higher Education Commission of Pakistan through Pakistan Bangladesh Knowledge Corridor. And this is for undergraduate applicants only. Okay? This is the biggest and the best scholarship anybody can have in Pakistan.
Scholarships, 500 scholarships to Bangladeshi students, so they can just do BS and PhDs under this fully funded scholarship. So this scholarship covers everything in terms of tuition fee, in terms of international travel, health insurance, and all other settlement allowance. Apart from that, many other universities are offering their individual scholarships as well. So the earlier scholarship I mentioned, that is by Higher Education Commission Government of Pakistan. So you have to apply through Higher Education Commission Government of Pakistan, but the universities individually offer scholarships as well. For example, we are ComSets University Islamabad, and ComSets is a 27 member state organization.
Yeah.
And Bangladesh is a member state organization as well of ComSets. For all ComSets member states, we offer 100 scholarships every year for MS and PhD programs. But the difference is that scholarship program covers only the tuition fee fully. The other expenses will be the responsibility of the student. So there are some other scholarships as well. For example, the OIC scholarship. Bangladesh is an OIC member state as well. So we offer 100 scholarships for OIC member states. So Bangladesh students can apply for that as well.